Agricultural machinery supporting organic farming, efficient cultivation without chemicals. Organic farming, eco-products, biofood are products increasingly sought after by customers. These needs are met by increasingly aware farmers who are moving away from chemicals in plant cultivation in favor of pesticide and herbicide-free crops. For such cultivation to succeed, traditional methods are being revived, involving soil fertilization using cover crops and the use of appropriate agricultural machinery. Organic farming is the way of the future and a way to take care of the environment. Eco does not exclude technology, but rather chemistry. What is organic farming? In recent years, agriculture has undergone an evolution in the perception of its role and function in society. Where once the main goal was to provide agricultural produce, nowadays more and more aspects are emerging that give this field a much broader dimension. Shaping the natural environment has become one of the tasks of modern organic farming. Agriculture has always been an integral part of the landscape. It included soil, water, the arrangement of agricultural land, green areas, cultivated plants, meadows, and wooded areas. However, we are now witnessing progressive environmental degradation. Soil erosion and groundwater contamination caused by the excessive use of artificial fertilizer and plant protection products have become threats to health and the environment. Agriculture machinery on the path to sustainable development. Sustainable development is not just a trendy term, but a practice that involves the harmonious integration of political, economic, and social activities while maintaining natural balance. Its goal is to ensure that crops grown organically, using machines, do not threaten future generations while meeting the current needs of communities. In this context, organic farming plays an essential role. It is a method of production based on traditional, environmentally friendly techniques. Organic farming involves the cessation of chemical use in food production, both in the context of agriculture and veterinary medicine. The effects of soil fertilization and weed removal are carried out using agricultural machinery. In practice, this means benefits for everyone: soil protection, clean water, preservation of biodiversity, and scenic landscapes. However, despite its many advantages, organic farming often faces challenges. It requires more work, is less efficient compared to conventional production methods. Therefore, it is important to support farmers who are willing to invest in organic practices. The most crucial in organic farming are the right agricultural machines from the best distributors, such as Rolmako. Multifunctional agricultural machines. What solutions does Rolmako offer? Modern organic farming, in response to the increasing market expectations and the need to maintain soil health and the environment, increasingly relies on proper mechanization. Agricultural machines are indispensable for efficient and sustainable plant management while minimizing the negative impact on the environment. Plowing, which traditionally was the foundation of cultivation in conventional agriculture, in organic farming gives way to more gentle tillage methods. Chisel plows and shallow cultivators allow for deep soil loosening without turning it over, preserving its structure and preventing erosion. Tractors equipped with increasing power allow the combination of various tools into multifunctional sets. This allows for several operations to be performed in one pass, which not only saves time, but primarily protects the soil from damage. In organic farming, such sets can include cultivators, harrows or rollers, which are essential for proper soil preparation for sowing. The disc harrow and knife roller play an important role in incorporating green manure into the soil, which is one of the pillars of sustainable organic farming. They enable efficient mixing and distribution of organic nutrients in the soil. By far, the most important tool in organic farming is the disc harrow. Its ability for surface cultivation, especially after harvest, and the ability to incorporate green manure into the soil make it indispensable in many organic farms. Modern agriculture faces the challenge of sustainable development. On the one hand, there is pressure for productivity and efficiency. On the other, there is the need to protect the environment and care for biodiversity. Multifunctional machines, such as those offered by Rolmako, are becoming key tools in achieving these goals. Soil is one of the most valuable resources on our planet. Tilling techniques, such as deep plowing, can disrupt its natural structure. Excessive soil compaction leads to disruption of water and air circulation, which in turn can affect lower yields. Here, deeper soil loosening machines, such as those offered by Rolmako, play a vital role. They allow for loosening of the soil below the plow layer, which is essential for maintaining its health and yield. Another innovative approach is ultra-shallow soil cultivation. Using tools such as the disc harrow or knife roller, farmers can take care of the structure and quality of the soil without deeply disturbing its natural layout. This technique also minimizes the risk of erosion and increases water retention in the soil, which is crucial in changing climate conditions. Although organic farming often faces challenges related to lower yields and higher production costs, the proper use of multifunctional machines can help increase efficiency. By optimizing cultivation processes, farmers can achieve better results with less resource consumption. Modern agricultural machinery is increasingly being designed and adapted in such a way as to support ecological farming practices, including eco-fertilization, optimization of water use, and reduction of chemical usage. Advanced technologies such as precision farming or automation allow for more accurate and efficient use of resources, which translates to a smaller environmental footprint. Furthermore, these machines are often more energy efficient, which reduces their impact on greenhouse gas emissions. Contemporary innovations in agriculture integrate technology with ecological practices, allowing for more sustainable and environmentally friendly food production. Rolmako offers innovative machines with extensive customization capabilities to meet client requirements, plus proven models which successfully till the soil from Africa to Australia. In the catalog at rolmako.com/technical, you will find transport dimensions, working element dimensions, and the distances between them, everything you need to know when looking for a machine for yourself. Rolmako is not just a manufacturer of agricultural equipment, but also a partner that thoroughly understands the needs of farmers. Thanks to its flexibility and solidity, it is a reliable choice that brings success in cultivation from Africa to Australia. The technical catalog is a comprehensive source of information which makes it easier to make the best choice of cultivation machinery. And what are your opinions and experiences related to organic farming? Do you agree that as a farmer, one should think not only about producing as much as possible, but also, and perhaps most importantly, in harmony with nature? Is it currently possible to achieve a compromise between the profitability of production and its ecology? Let us know in the comments what you think about this. And remember to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for your attention, and I will see you in the next video.